focaccia, some ingredients, flour, standard tomato, olive, fresh rosemary, salt, yeast, dry, oregano, olive oil. So I'm going to first mix yeast, salt, oregano, fresh rosemary, some red tomato, olives. So I'm always suggest to use cold water. It's very good right now, cold water. Recipe will be in the description. You can see the recipe. Olive oil you don't add now. Olive oil you will add at last. So now 70% dough mixing is ready. So now I'm going to add the olive oil. Five minutes around. You can see fermentation, how it's the bubbles. Some rosemary. So I'm going to proof again. I'm going to put in my prover. I hope it will be another 1 hour. It will be ready. Now my focaccia is ready. Oil, dry rosemary, dry oregano, go, it's ready now. Meat 1 is steam, fan number 1. You can see it's coming up. It's nice and fluffy. It's this texture. Now